Okay, so I have all my makeup on and I have that dewy glow, which I love because I'm about to be 39 and so I like to glow a little bit. It gives me that youth look. But I have a girlfriend who's a little bit younger than me and she likes that more matte look. So here is a trick for that. This is Vanilla Dust and it's in our shop, but it's kind of all by itself. If I can get this tin open, maybe get it open. Goodness gracious. My hands are slippery. There we go. All right, so it's just a translucent powder. I don't know if it's really focusing here, but a great way to sort of matte your makeup after you have it on. Get your little spoolie brush on your Know Your Angles, or Hotline is the new one, and you can just rough it up just a little bit. I'm just tapping into it and it's already creating a little dust here. Okay.
Dad, you're gonna take your finger.
You can do your B squared, and I'll take the bigger brush because I don't like a whole lot of that matte look, and I'm just gonna go in here and just tap it off. And this will give you a little bit of that matte look and set your makeup. I'm using a very small amount. But you can already see the difference, right? So that's your great way to get that matte finish with this cream makeup, okay?